So next goes to another topic, that is nothing but stem. So this stem, it develops from which portion of the embryonal axis of germinating seed? So this stem always develops from plumule. This stem always develops from which one? Here it is developing from plumule. That means think this one is the germinating seed, and think this one is the embryonal axis, and think this one is radical, and think this one is plumule. Now can you tell me, stem itself, it is developing from either radical or either from plumule, means stem itself developing from plumule only. As you know already that from radical root system is developing. So here plumule develops into stem. Plumule develops into which one? Here it is called as stem. Now the stem is differentiated into nodes and internodes. Yes, the stem is differentiated into nodes and internodes. That means think this one is the stem. Think this one is the stem. Stem is differentiated into nodes and internodes. Stem is differentiated into nodes and internodes. Stem is differentiated into nodes and internodes. This line indicates that is nothing but node, and this line also indicates that is nothing but node. And whereas the portion which is present in between two nodes, it is called as internode. The portion present in between two nodes itself, it is called as internode. Now from the node area, which one is developing? From the node area, which important organ is developing? That is nothing but from the node area, vegetative lateral exogenous green flattened appendage, that is nothing but leaf, is developing. From the node area of the stem, which one is developing means from the node area, it is which one is developing means vegetative green flattened lateral appendage, which is exogenously developed. That part itself, it is nothing but leaf. Leaf, it is one of the most important organ of the plant. Why? Because it plays an important role in photosynthesis, due to which they can prepare their own food materials. From the leaf only, that food materials are transported towards various organs of the plant body. That means they are transported towards the fruits also in order to store the food materials. Now tell me, what is meant by axil? The axil itself, it indicates. Axil itself, it indicates the upper angle between the leaf and the node of the stem is called as axil. What is meant by axil? Upper angle between the leaf and the node of the stem itself, it is called as axil. In this axil, which one is present? Which one is developed from the axil? From this axil, axillary bud is developed. From this axil, which bud is developing here? Axillary bud is developing. That means this axillary bud, whether it is giving rise to branches. Yes, this axillary bud, it gives rise to branches. Axillary bud, it gives rise to which one here? Branches. Now see here, the branches, whether it is also differentiated into nodes and internodes means, yes, the branches are also differentiated into nodes and internodes. That means from the branches, from the node, whether the leaves are developing, yes, from the node of the branches also the leaves are getting originated, leaves are getting produced. That means from this node of the branches, the leaves are produced. From the node of the branches, which one are developed? Leaves are produced. Now can you tell me, terminal bud, whether it is present towards the tip of the stem and as well as tip of the branches? Yes, terminal bud is not only present towards the tip of the stem, it is also present towards the tip of the branches also. Why? Because the vertical growth of the stem is carried by means of terminal bud, and whereas the horizontal growth of the branches, it is also covered, it is also done by means of terminal bud. That means axillary buds not only present upon the stem, axillary buds not only present in the axils of the stem, axillary buds also present in the axils of the branches also. Yes, it is also present in the axil of the branches also. And not only the terminal bud, it is not only present towards the tip of the main stem, it is also present towards the tip of the branches also. due to which the growth of the stem is done by means of terminal bud, and the horizontal growth of the branch is also done by means of terminal bud. And what happens means, in this the shoot apical meristem, can we call this one as, can you call, what is the main axis in shoot system? Main axis in shoot system, it is nothing but stem. Main axis in shoot system, it is nothing but a stem. Stem, it shows leaves, it shows axillary bud, it shows a terminal bud, it shows branches, it shows flowers, it shows fruits, and it shows seeds which are enclosed in the fruits. Seeds which are enclosed in fruits. So, can you tell me what are the important functions of the stem? Means not the stem not only produces branches, it also produces leaves, it also produces flowers, it also produces fruits, it also produces seeds. That seeds, they are enclosed inside the ovary. That seeds that are enclosed inside the fruit. That seeds that are enclosed inside the fruit. And can you tell me what are the important functions of the stem? Here means the important functions of the stem, it stores food materials. Important functions of the stem, it stores food materials. And what is another important function? Means it also plays an important role in vegetative propagation. Not only the stem, it plays an important role in storage of food materials, it also plays an important role in vegetative propagation. What is meant by vegetative propagation? If any part of the plant, if it is separated from the mother plant, that separated part of the plant can grow as an individual plant. And it also plays an important role in mechanical support. And it also plays an important role in mechanical support. Yes, it is also playing an important role in mechanical support. And it also plays an important role in protection also. And it also plays an important role in protection also. That means these are the important functions which are performed by the stem. That is nothing but storage of reserve food materials, vegetative propagation, mechanical support, and protection. Is that clear? So these are about the functions of the stem. And what is the stem itself, it exposes which one here? Leaves it can exposes. Stem, it can produces branch. Yes. Stem, it can produces flowers on the main stem, flowers on the branches. Yes. Stem, it produces fruits on the branches and fruits on the stems. Yes, it produces. And likewise, many such characters can be seen here. And now we are going towards what are the stem modifications? How many types of stem modifications can be seen? In this, it shows 3 types of stem modifications. Of that, one it is nothing but underground stem modification. One it is nothing but which stem modification? Means underground stem modification. Second one it is aerial stem modification. Second one it is aerial stem modification. Third one it is subaerial stem modification. Third one it is subaerial stem modification. Third one it is subaerial stem modification. Now it means stem modification, they are classified, shows how many types of stem modifications? Means 3 types of stem modifications. One it is underground stem modification. Second one it is aerial stem modification. And third one it is subaerial stem modification.